Hello everyone, I am Harshit Adhikari from grade 6. I am telling you about food and health. Food and its components. Food contains five main components: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. A body needs all these components in adequate amount to remain healthy. Adequate means enough. The sources and functions of the five main components of food are: carbohydrates function provide energy to the body. Sources: bread, rice, wheat, etc. Fats function help to keep the body warm. Sources: meat, vegetable oil, milk, butter. Proteins essential for growth and the muscle building. Sources: chicken, fish, eggs, milk, etc. Vitamins and minerals. Functions needed in a small amount for proper functioning of our body and help to fight diseases. Sources: fruits and vegetables. Along with these components, our body also needs enough amount of water and roughage. Water acts as the medium for transport of nutrients inside our body. It also allows our body food to pass easily through the digestive system. Roughage is the undigested part of the plant food. It helps in moving the food through our digestive system and proper removal of wastes. Balanced diet: a diet that contains enough amount of different components of food along with roughage and water required for the proper functioning of our body is called a balanced diet. This is a balanced diet. Disease. What is a disease? A disease is a state in which a function or a part of body is no longer in a healthy condition. Disease can occur due to improper diet or lack of cleanliness. Diseases are of two types: non-communicable diseases and communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are those diseases that do not spread from one person to another. Some non-communicable diseases are caused due to the lack of a particular food component. These are called deficiency diseases. Some deficiency diseases are night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, rickets, goiter, and anemia. They are caused due to the lack of night blindness is caused due to the lack of vitamin A, beriberi due to the lack of vitamin B, scurvy due to the lack of vitamin C, rickets due to the lack of vitamin D, goiter due to the lack of iodine, and anemia due to the lack of iron. Communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are those diseases that can spread from one person to another. Communicable diseases are mostly caused by germs. Germs are disease causing microbes such as bacteria, virus, fungi, and protozoa. They can also spread by the following ways: through direct contact with an infected person. When an infected person, infected means a person suffering from a disease. When an infected person coughs or sneezes, the germs causing the disease are released into the air and can infect a healthy person. It can also spread through dirty food and water. Food and water that have been uncovered attract flies. Flies carry germs on their bodies and pass them onto the uncovered food and water when they sit on the food and water through insects. Mosquitoes and some other insects can transmit germs through their bite. Some communicable diseases, their symptoms, and how can they be prevented. Common cold symptoms: cough, sore throat, runny nose, fever. Prevention: regular hand washing and keeping away from the infected person. Pneumonia: cough, fever, shaking, chills, and shortness of breath. Treatment with antibiotics. Antibiotics are substances that can kill disease causing organisms. Tuberculosis: fever, chills, night sweats, loss of appetite, weight loss, weakness, and others. Treatment: this treatment is also with antibiotics. What is hygiene? Hygiene may be defined as practices that helps to ensure cleanliness and good health. Some steps to maintain good hygiene: we should eat clean and healthy food. We should wash our hands regularly, uh, brush 2 times, and bath daily. We should not drink unclean water. We should allow water to collect in and around our homes. Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. Stagnant means not flowing or. Some communicable diseases can also be prevented by vaccination. What is vaccination? Vaccination is the use of special substances called vaccine to prevent from many diseases. Vaccines help to build up resistance in the body. Most vaccines are given to children when they are very young.